Guys, I just hopped onto Roblox to play Brookhaven, but take a look at what happened here. Of course, this is the first server I walk into. A server full of whole freaking odors, or maybe not odors, I don't know. I don't know if these guys are odors. They don't seem like to be their own, like, they are dating on some sort, but I'm a Chills fan. By the way, my cousin made this. Hold on. Let's go up. This, take a look. It says GG, right? This is what my cousin did. But I like this better. Chills. Bam! I'm a fan of Chills. I'm also a fan of Lily. What's happening here, guys? Should I troll them? Of course I'm gonna troll them. Hold on. This is how I'm gonna troll them. They stick there. Look what I'm gonna do. Hold on. Pierce. Just autocorrect, guys. Not what? Oh. Yes. Troll. Welcome to my house. It's me, Andrea. Let's try to find his house. Wait, this is Andrea. Okay. This is Andrea's house. The two dog. Amazing. No. Let's see what they're gonna reply. I asked them if they're a fan of Chills. Are you a Chills fan? Are you a Chills fan? Let's see her reaction. I'm asking her if she's a fan of Chills. If she says yes, what do you do to get that body? No, I'm wrong. I was about to give her $1 million if she said yes. Hold on. About to give you guys say yes. $1 million. Well, then let's go back to the house. We missed you. Missed out on a lot.